Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al getting in contact with you guys. Going to talk about some Hedera. And I am so happy to see this one in a free fall because it may be a great opportunity for some of us who want to scoop up a little bit or maybe buy some more. Might be a great time to either get in and DCA or get in and invest or whatever you want to do with this one. Just saying, Hedera, in my eyes, is looking good today, especially if you want to invest. But remember that whatever we say on the channel is not financial advice. However, if you like what you see today, we just ask you to like and subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate you guys. We're growing, and we just ask you to grow with us. Now, this is looking really good as far as like from an investor standpoint because of the fact that when we see this down 8% today, we know good and well it's going to be up 8%, another day. Just pretty good on our part. Now, let's just go ahead and start looking at what's been going on with Hedera. One day, you see it there. Let's go 7 day. 7 day is only down a little bit more than 1%, guys. So just to give you a heads up on how much this has been running. Take a look at how much it's been running at the month. Wow. Over the month, we see right now that it's up over 80% for the month. So 80.5% to be honest with you, pretty much a lot, 8.55. Now let's go ahead and look at the year. For the year, it is up almost quadruple. So 293% over the year. That is insanely good. I want you to see the best part. The best part is right here with the all. On the all, it is down 35.75%. And that only means one thing, that this has got a long ways to run. Let's just go ahead and, like I said, remember, nothing is financial advice, but let's just go ahead and take a look at the all-time. What's that all-time high? Man, that all-time high is only 57 cents. So this thing is going to be going a lot further from here. Don't forget that this is ISO 20. I can't remember how many twos and zeros, but let's just say it's ISO compliant, which is going to be tremendously beautiful. Hedera has so much going for itself, but let's keep it moving. I got to hurry up instead of just rambling too hard. Let's just go ahead and look at the Bitcoin price. It's going to be at 170%, 117,000. I'm sorry, y'all. Ethereum is going to be at 3,700, pretty much. Market cap's going down a little bit today, 3.88 trillion, but that's not bad. Fear and greed is at 67. Altcoin season, you can tell we're very much not altcoin season on this end, but that is okay. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some Bitcoin dominance. All we're doing right now is setting the scene. And if you notice right here now, the Bitcoin dominance is going to be at 60.4%. Ethereum is going to be 11.8. That's pretty good, actually. So as Ethereum begins to dominate a little bit more, it's going to give us some more momentum and a little bit more gas for our altcoins for right now. So let's just go ahead and keep this in mind with Hedera. Hedera is doing very well. It's going up a lot. So let's go ahead and talk about it some bit here. This is going to be the ex-Twitter site governed by the world's leading organizations. Hedera provides the trust layer of the digital economy. NVIDIA and Blackwell platform to support equity labs, verifiable compute deployment. That is, anytime you're working with NVIDIA, you're doing pretty doggone well. Blackwell, you're doing well. Tokenized real estate needs more than just tech, it needs trust. This is a new announcement from 4 hours ago. Explore how governance and jurisdiction are shaping the future of digital property ownership and how Hedera addresses these legal foundations. So this is Hedera, governance and jurisdiction in tokenized real estate, REITs in Web3. Crazy. These guys, it is almost unfair. They're doing so much transactional, how can I say, volume. It is getting ridiculous. All right, let's see what else they got on this page. I think this is maybe all we want to talk about here. Yeah, let's keep it moving. We don't want to stay stuck too long. For some reason, I just want to get this done with Hedera because this is a really good token to talk about, but at the same time, we got to get it in. This is going to be from AI Invest Coin World. Hedera surges 13% as technical breakout. validates the 50 cents target. This is from yesterday, I do believe, but it's talking about how Hedera surged 13% past 30 cents. Listen, let me tell you right now, if you guys can, for those of you who are new to the game here, who maybe haven't accumulated Hedera, that is going to be a good marker for you right there. If you can get Hedera below 30 cents, that would definitely be to your benefit. I would not try to accumulate this thing above 30, even if it's on a run or even if it's pumping. I wouldn't do that. So I would try to get it under 30. But like I said, not financial advice. We're not trying to tell anybody what to do with the money, right? So anyways, analyst predicts a multi-month rally to 50 cents, citing strong support and a validated 3-day breakout. I think I agree with that as well. But like I said, nobody's got a crystal ball, and it's something to consider. I totally agree, but at the same time, like I said, just something we're reading out of the news, correct? So let's just keep the ball rolling here. We want to go to the next article that we see. Next article is from AI Invest as well. This is the Coin World. Hedera Hbar surges 9% on bullish harmonic pattern amid 103% monthly rally. So just to give you guys a heads up, this thing was had doubled over the month. This is crazy good. So, and it's also talking about the 9% rally here, hitting a 103% monthly gain as bullish crab pattern nears the CD leg. So they got the target here at like what, 42%? No, 45% rise. And this is 42 cents itself, my bad. So growing a layer 2 interest, blah, blah, blah. This is looking pretty doggone good. I'm just saying. Hedera has emerged as a focal point for technical analysts following the development of a key harmonic pattern on its daily chart, suggesting a potential bullish continuation. In my opinion, I think the fact that Hedera is doing so much, I really see the bullish continuation because of all the fundamental analysis, not just the technical analysis, the fundamental analysis as well. Okay, so right here we're talking about Hedera surging 8.19% on the Robinhood listing. Ding, ding, ding. Hey, Robinhood listing. Ding. All right, so it rose after the Robinhood listed it on July the 25th, just a few days ago. So boosting retail investor access and bullish sentiment towards the 39 cents price target. That's a no-brainer right there, right? So this is looking really good. We're surging here. This is 1.89%. I'm sorry, 8.19%. Following its inclusion on Robinhood's trading platform, signaling renewed optimism for the current cryptocurrency as it gains broader access to U.S. retail investors. The move, which adds Hbar to a roster of major crypto assets on the platform, has bolstered bullish sentiment, with analysts suggesting the token could retest its all-time high of, what's this, 0.569 or even reach the 39 cents target. Interesting. So just a heads up, that's looking pretty good. But the funny thing is, why would you say retest its all-time high or even reach a lower price? Apparently somebody was writing this, but they might have been in a hurry. You know what I mean? That's a little, we'll talk about that grammar later, right? Or that would, I don't know whether that's grammar or just, like certain type of writing we would avoid. You know what I mean? All right, so let's go to the actual website for Hedera, the trust layer of the digital economy. As the world's only public network governed by known institutions, Hedera is the trusted platform for building fast, secure, and compliant decentralized applications. So let's look at this a little bit. I'm trying to see if we can find everything we want to find. So governed by leading organizations around the world, this is the Hedera Council, and you got some huge, and I do mean huge, players here with lots of money, millions, and in some cases billions, and in some cases perhaps trillions of dollars. So Aberdeen, we got Australia Payment Plus, we got, what's this, Avery Dennis, we got Dell Technologies, Google, Hitachi, IBM, so LG, Mondelez, this is that snack company, ServiceNow, we got Standard Bank, Ubisoft. We got several other companies as well. Let me see if I can find anything else we're looking at. So talking about, let's see, ecosystems built by the community. We know that this thing is, what can I say, definitely a big part of the future. I don't know what to tell you guys, except it's just a lot to absorb and know the fact that, well, let me just be honest, say this. This is what we're looking at. We're looking at a crypto, some of the greatest companies in the world. And basically all these guys are doing is just working with the greatest companies in the world, making decentralized applications and platforms possible. Also, the thing is, you know that Hedera is extremely efficient. It's also one of the fastest blockchains out there, hands down. I know that like you got a lot of move language cryptos like Sui and like Say, and I know those guys are super fast. But do not forget that Hedera is very, very fast as well. It's got a lot of cases that is being used by these major corporations. And the thing is, Hedera is not going anywhere, step up. And as these particular companies, these trillion-dollar companies like Google and others, and I know Dell is somewhere in the billions, you got several others that are way in the billions. As you got these companies that are really working with Hedera, Hedera isn't going nowhere up, nowhere up, but up, guys. there's no doubt about that. So going back to our chart, as you see this particular crypto where it is right now, especially with the 1 day, let's go to the 7 day just in case. Yeah, it's up on the 7 day. But notice right here, it is so hot that even on the 7 day, it is still up and it's way here. So my personal thoughts on the matter, even though it's down for the day, for those of you looking, might want to look at this opportunity to DCA. As long as it's under 30 cents, it's looking pretty doggone good. Let's see where, yeah, it was above 30 cents right here just a few days ago. And it looks like it was trying to approach it. But believe me, B, if you're looking to get in Hedera and you want a good entry level, this is probably one of the best that you're going to get in the future. So just a thought, anything under 30 cents, I'm thinking strongly about it. I sure as heck hope it falls further, but at the same time, this one's got so much momentum, it's not even fair, right? But anyway, guys, have a great one. We'll let you go. Talk to you soon. Have a good one. Bye. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.